if you're craving something crunchy but want a healthier option, you are going to love today's recipe. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make homemade baked tortilla chips. They take only a few minutes to make and are so much better for you. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you how to make this recipe even better. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. You guys, this recipe is so quick and simple. It starts with, I'm using corn tortillas. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to use about 8, maybe. I don't know, we'll do whatever can fit on the thing. I'll start 4 at a time. And all we're gonna do is cut them into triangles. Now, you can easily use a knife and just run your knife through them. Or, if you wanna go a little easier, the pizza cutter, bring that in, and just 1, 2, 3, right? We can get 6 chips per tortilla. So we'll just run that straight on through. And I didn't push hard enough on this one, so it's got a little more to go. There we go. Ta-da! All right. So quick, so easy. So we have our baking sheet here. And I'm just going to line the chips up, and they line up nice if you alternate them. So if you want to maximize your baking sheet space, and I mean, come on, who doesn't want to maximize their baking sheet space? All right, I think that's about all I can fit. Can I fit another one in here? Let's see. Slide over, guys. So if you have a bigger tray, you can probably fit more. Well, you most certainly can fit more on there. Not probably. Okay, so we have our chips laid out. We're just going to take some vegetable oil and a basting brush, and we're gonna give everybody a nice little coating, like so. You could use nonstick cooking spray too. Da, 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 da. This is a great recipe if you have kids. They can come and help. They love this part. My son, when he was little, used to love to do this. It's like painting, right? Okay, nice coating there. Then, and this is the perfect part, we are going to use my all-purpose seasoning blend. I'll have a link to the recipe. You can grab it there. This stuff is perfect for this. Or you could just use salt and pepper, whichever you choose, but this has more flavor in it. And everybody gets a nice little coating. And when you sprinkle, the higher up you go, the better coverage area you're gonna get. The closer you go, the more concentrated. So if you wanna get a nice wider sprinkle, go higher. That's why you see the chefs like way up here doing this. I'm not that fancy. But I do like my chips seasoned, so. All right, that's it. Doesn't get easier than that, right? Okay, we're gonna pop these into a 400-degree oven, and before you know it, we will have wonderful homemade baked tortilla chips. Okay, so our chips are out of the oven. I did let them sit for a little while because they will crisp up as they sit. So can you believe how easy these were? And just look, you could hear how crispy they are. And this recipe is so flexible. You can change it up so many ways. You can swap corn tortillas for whole grain wraps. I make them all the time like that. It's my husband's favorite. I've also used all kinds of seasonings. My homemade barbecue or my chili seasoning with a squeeze of lime, or everything but the bagel seasoning. And I think my all-time favorite seasoning to use on these is the everything but the elote seasoning. To die for. So let's give these bad boys a try. Yep, I have some of my homemade guacamole here. Going in deep. These homemade tortilla chips are definitely a keeper. I think you will love how flavorful and crispy they are, and they take no time at all to make. You're gonna love them. If you like this recipe, I have another sweet version you're going to love. Check it out here. I'll see you there.